Good morning, everybody! This is Teacher Ann, and today we are going to discuss new lesson in English, and that is identifying fact and opinion. And if you are interested and willing to learn, all you need to do is to finish this video. Come on, let's start! Do you know, class, that in our everyday living, we are discussing and talking different issues. We hear different issue and news that may be real or based on opinion. We need to scan every details so that we can find out what is real and what is fake. And today, we are going to discuss how to identify fact and opinion. So let's start discussing. Listen carefully, class. When we say fact, it means that things is known and proved to be true. It means that a certain situation is true. When we say fact, this is also an information used as evidence that a certain thing or situation is real. For example, we are living on Earth. This is true because all of us live on Earth. This is based on science and can be proved. Another example, ostrich has wings but it cannot fly. This statement is true, and this is fact because ostrich can fly. Another example, ladybug is an insect. This is a true and fact statement. When we say fact, it is a statement that says truth, just like the examples shown to you a while ago. This is an example of a factual statement. Frogs use their tongue to catch insects. This is true and it has evidence. Another, Mayon is an active volcano. This statement says factual information because Mayon is really a volcano and it is active. Fact is an occurrence in the real world and it can be verified and tested. Factual things and statements really happen, just like the examples shown to you a while ago. On the example, plant leaves have different colors. This statement is true because not all plants have green colors. Some of them are yellow, red, and some colors. Another example, fruits are nutritious. This is an example of a factual statement. Another example, the Earth belongs to solar system. This is true because this was tested by science and can be proved. In this example, lake is an enclosed body of water. This statement is true because lake is surrounded by landforms. Fact is concrete and may not vary, unlike opinion. It can be verified and tested. There's a proof and there's an evidence. It is tested and proven correct. That's why it tells factual situation or scenario. It will remain fact even years may pass. Just like dogs are domestic animals. This is true because we treat dog as our pet in our house. Mr. Bean is a comedian. This is true because we all know that Mr. Bean is a famous comedian and do funny acts. Now let us proceed to our next topic, that is opinion. What is opinion? When we say opinion, it is a personal belief and perception of a person. Opinion may vary in different persons. Opinion is also based on person's belief or idea that may be somehow accepted or not by other persons. Every person has different opinions. For example, she is beautiful for me. This is an example of opinion because some people may agree and some people may not agree. On this example, people may agree and may not agree. It depends on the personal taste of a person. This is the best milk tea. Another example of opinion. Some may agree that the taste of that certain milk tea is good And some person may disagree because maybe they don't like the taste or the flavor of that milk tea. And just what I've said earlier, opinion varies in different person because it depends on the person talking. Another example, it must be raining. This opinion may be true or not true. This is based on one's observation in the sky. Maybe for some person, when they see dark clouds, they think that it will rain. Maybe for some others, it is just an ordinary dark clouds in the sky. Opinion is an expression of one's view and judgment to a certain thing or scenario, and it may differ in different person. For example, this cake is sweeter than the other one. This example shows personal opinion on the taste of the cake. Some people may agree that cake is sweeter than the other one, and some may disagree because it was their personal choice and taste. Always remember, kids, that opinion varies in different individual because it was their personal belief, views, and choice. Another example, pink is not for boys. This example shows personal choice and opinion. For some others, they think that pink is just for girls, and for some, it is a unisex color. Opinion is very easy to find out because it's just a personal. There's no proof and there's no evidence. Opinion somehow shows personal choice and personal view, and it may vary in different person. Now that we have discussed what is fact and what is opinion, let us move on to our next activity. Pay attention on the examples on your screen. On the first sentence, that says factual statement, we live on earth, because it is true that we all live on earth. On the other hand, on the second statement or on the second sentence, earth is crowded. That is an opinion because people may vary opinion if earth is crowded or earth is not crowded. Persons or different individuals may agree and may disagree. Christmas is on December 25. That is an example of a factual statement. On the other hand, we need gift for Christmas. That is an opinion because some of us believe that we need gift for Christmas and some others don't believe that they need gift for Christmas. On that situation, people vary opinion and belief on the celebration of Christmas. Next example, banana is a fruit. That is a factual statement because it is true that banana is a fruit. On the other hand, fresh banana is tastier than the cooked banana. That is an example of opinion. Some people like fresh banana and some others like cooked bananas instead of fresh bananas. On our example, summer is a hot weather. That is a factual statement because it is true that summer is hot weather. On the other hand, on the second statement, we need to go swimming on summer. That is an opinion because some people don't go swimming on summer. Instead, they go picnic or they do travel. Some people, they go swimming, so it differ in different individuals. So that is an opinion. Another example, rainbow is colorful. That is a factual statement because rainbow is really colorful. And the other example, maybe there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. That is just an opinion because some think that a rainbow ends with a gold pot at the end of it, and some others don't believe or disagree on that opinion or idea. Always remember that fact states factual things and it has evidence, can be proved, and can be tested. On the other hand, when we say opinion, it is a personal belief and view. It uses signal words such as maybe, I think, it looks like, for me, etc. and some other words that shows opinion. And Thank you kids for staying with us and watching our videos for this day. We hope that this lesson will improve your understanding in English. For more video lessons, you may visit us on YouTube. Just type Teacher Ann Alfaro. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Click all to get updated on the latest videos that we are going to upload. You may also like and visit our Facebook page, Video Lessons by Teacher Ann. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.